Assalamu alaikum students. I wish you all are fine. I'm your teacher Satya. Today the day is Tuesday. As per your timetable, today the subject we will study that is science and the topic again it is a repetition. 5 senses. You will use different organs to use and to know about 5 senses. Now let me read. There are 5 sentences in front of you and you have to write the correct organ in front of them. Like, I can smell with my nose. I can see with my eyes. I can hear with my ear. I can touch with my hand. I can taste with my tongue. This is the work you already have done in your science copy. Plus, again, you have to write it in your science copy. There is no worksheet or there is no page related to this on your book. This is a worksheet I have taken from somewhere, and just I'm going to tell you and give you an example that you have to write it in your copy, same sentences. I hope you understand it. Thank you.